Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today for our Ho Ho Holiday series video, I'm going to be bringing you along with me as I clean the house, getting ready for Christmas. And I'm also going to be doing a little bit of decluttering of our Christmas decorations that I have not used in the last couple years, and I thought I'd bring you along with me for some motivation. And I don't know about you, but it's really hard for me to get rid of our Christmas decorations just because there's so many memories attached to everything. So let's see what I can get rid of and come along with me as I clean the house. This is my office, and this is where I've been kind of corralling our regular decor items as I was decorating for Christmas. And this bin is a decorative Christmas box that I had, and what I'm doing is separating the craft type items like that snow, bins, ribbon, that type of thing, and I'm putting it into a different bin and then just keeping the decorative type items in this bin. And this is the bin that I want to designate for my Christmas craft items. I've learned doing YouTube this year that you start doing DIYs, challenges, and collabs a lot earlier than you actually decorate for the season. So this year it was a little hard for me looking for specific craft items for Christmas, so I just thought this might make it easier in the future if I have designated season craft bins. So I'm going to try it out and see how it works. In this bin, I have a bunch of different items. I've been decluttering and kind of cleaning out areas of my home throughout the Christmas decorating season. So this here, I'm just corralling things that's going to the Goodwill and then things that I need to store up in my attic until Christmas is over. Okay, so this is a perfect example. Remember earlier I said it's really hard for me to get rid of things from Christmas decor because there's so many memories. Well, those stockings are my kids' first year's stocking, and I just can't get rid of them. Every year I take them out, and every year I put them back in the bin. So here's my bins. They're all organized. I need to take them back up to the attic. And then I also have this whole pile in my dining room, minus the foam core board and that frame on the right. All of that's going to Goodwill, being donated. So that feels really good. And you're welcome. I'm keeping it very, very real here. My house is a complete mess. I've let Christmas decorating, wrapping presents, and shopping get the best of me, so it's now time to get this mess cleaned up and get ready for Christmas. Since I was going to be home for the afternoon, I decided to go on and start my self-cleaning oven. And it usually takes a little over 4 hours to do that. So I went and started that, and then I also cleaned the inside of my microwave. I spray the inside of my microwave with water, Dawn, and vinegar, and then I just fill up the Pyrex measuring cup with water, steam it for about 5 minutes, and then it wipes out clean. I put a couple drops of purification down the drain, and then with the hot water from the microwave, just poured it in there to freshen it up. You guys, we're so excited. We're starting to plan our videos for next year, and we've got some really good ideas up our sleeve. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of those upcoming. We're going to be doing a lot of decluttering, organization, budget-friendly DIY, home decor type items. Also, if you have any ideas of videos that you'd like for us to do, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to see what you guys would like to watch. I hope that this motivated you. You cleaned along with me, or it motivated you to clean after you've watched the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, share our YouTube channel with your friends and family, and until the next time, friends, bye-bye.